Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. It's a simple search, King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're out here on the final day of our project in Grandview, Missouri. Just to briefly catch everyone up, if you haven't seen any of our previous videos on this project, this is one of our four-step full-scope foundation repair projects where we straighten the wall, we brace it with our H-beams, we pier it with our King Pier 2 footing support piers, and we epoxy inject with a final coat of NP 150 polyurethane on the foundation wall cracks. So just finished up here down in the basement. We got everything sealed where we had initially saw cut the concrete floor to get the bottom ends of our wall braces set right on the footing, which the foundation wall is also setting on. So these bottom ends of the braces are embedded roughly 4 inches below the floor, right on top of that footing. Again, I always like to go over how we reinforce the upper ends of our wall braces. So many companies will not only use a smaller I-beam and not an H-beam like we use, but they will bolt whatever they use to try to keep this upper end in place. Typically, it's a little piece of metal, steel, that they will bolt from the bottom end. And when that happens, it's going to split that floor joist. And we do not do it that way. As you can see, we come out here, bolt everything from the side, new treated wood. The ones out here, we've really come out to make sure that these are fully reinforced. Right here, you can see exactly how much we were able to push this wall back to vertical. The customer was actually amazed when I met him out here, and he was able to look at this in person, because this concrete was flush with where the wall was before we started pushing. So very nice work there. Again, you can see we got everything here as well. So yeah, right now we have a couple little spots still to seal where the wall and the floor meet. We'll get that knocked out here shortly. We also have the holes where we did our angle iron to straighten the wall. But again, it's such a simple process when you break down how we straighten a wall back to vertical. We simply excavate all the way down to the footing, relieve all that pressure, come in here with our 6x6s, 30-ton bottle jacks, angle iron, and in a matter of minutes, this wall is vertical. And then while that setup is still in place, as you can see, we get our wall braces installed. That's going to keep the wall vertical, and the piers under the footing are going to raise that footing to its correct level elevation. So not only is this wall back up to level, it's vertical, and it's going to stay that way. So very nice work by the King Piers team out here. I want to take a quick look in the garage, because along with the full scope foundation repair, we installed 3 of our King Pier 2 footing support piers under the floor inside the garage. Hopefully it comes across as well in the video as it does in person, but this floor is so much more level now than it was before we started. You can go back and look at the earlier videos to really show how much everything was dropping towards this side of the house. So everything turned out great on this project. We're finishing it up right now with the backfill on the outside. The customer's happy. He was out here earlier in the morning to take a look. So yeah, everything went great on this project. So for all your foundation repairing needs, if you ever have any kind of issue with your foundation and you want it looked at by us, give us a call, 1-816-288-4373. You can also contact us through our website at www.kingpiers.com. And don't forget to check us out on YouTube and Facebook. Again, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. Thank you.